Hello friends, I am Rashmindan Bera, contesting for Culture Secretary from 4th year and 5th year constituency.
Why are you standing for the post you have filed your nomination for?
I am standing in Culture Society. Cultural and ethics as the pillar for every civilization. If a society is not culture, then anything it has, it's useless. Imagine a society, imagine a remote area where they find diamonds, they get rich, but they don't have culture. Then what the money they will get, that is wasted. So culture is the most important thing for a society. That's why I'm standing cultural for contesting cultural society, and I have been cultural secretary in MB Hall of Residence. I have the experience, and I know how to tackle the situation and handle the things. Those come in place in cultural programs.
How would you judge that a successful secretary is successful at the end of his or her tenure?
There are various parameters on the basis of which we judge. I judge the success of a secretary. But I disagree with most of the peoples. Those judge the secretaries on the basis of the participations. In NIT, where various radical forces are in place, like the prize money is very less, and students are not getting, NIT students will not get prizes. Those things are coming to place. Those things are reducing the participation, and the internet and the more and more students are now interested in internet and all those stuff, and they are not coming to the fests and not participating. And I will judge a secretary as successful on the basis of his activity and how much punctual he is. Most of the events in NIT don't start at time, but at their mentioned time, and how much only conducting a fest is not the work of a secretary. I think the functioning and working of all the clubs under those come under the society, those are also very important. And if a secretary, he promotes his fest quite well enough, and he is actively participates in all the activities of the society, and he encourages the students to come and participate, and he gathers good sponsorship, then I think he has succeeded in what he has been assigned.
What changes would you like to bring as a secretary if you are elected?
As a secretary, when I will like to start a new thing, that is Inter-NIT Cultural Festival. We have already Inter-NIT Sports Meet and all, and I will like to introduce those things. I think we are well enough in sponsorship and all. In this cultural fest, we were well enough. I will like to bring more sponsor, but I think NIT is providing us sufficient money for conducting events. I would like to introduce more and more celebrities. The level of celebrities coming to Nitrushab and all is going up. First year, when I was in first year, it was Neeraj Siddhar, it was some man. Then this year, Mohammad Irfan came. I will introduce more celebrities, and I think the